Hey everybody, it's Eddie J on Crypto. Hope you had a great day. Wanted to do a quick short to let you know about a couple of things. One of them is all about Coinbase. So apparently, J.P. Morgan, one of their analysts, was looking at Coinbase and thinking, well, with all of these people that were let go, remember 18%, a lot of them could have restricted stock units or RSUs. A lot of companies, especially tech startups, offer stocks as or restricted stock units as a part of the compensation package so they can pay less in salaries. Well, guess what? They can be compelled to actually create new stocks, issue new stocks, which would dilute the value of stockholders, shareholders. That would be a major problem. So guess what? J.P. Morgan and Goldman Sachs have both downgraded Coinbase to sell. That's huge news because that drowns out any good news, which, Coinbase Wallet had some good news. But who cares considering this is more bad news for Coinbase? Listen, I would be paying attention to this. There are a lot of things going on in the centralized exchange space that make me take notice. They really do. The Cryptoverse, if you notice that another reason why I reached out today is because the Cryptoverse right now is in deep red. Why? Oh, well, general profit taking, right? We're at some really, highs as of late, but also because the market is pretty much down because they're expecting, a rate hike from the Fed and people are scrambling. Don't really like that idea, but it seems to be the fact. But for me, this is one of the reasons why I said I will be on a major buy pattern this week. So right now, everything had gone up. Now they've pulled back a bit. Like even last time I looked was about 15 minutes ago. Who was it? Polygon, who just a few days ago was in the 90 cent range, is down in the 70 cents range. I think like 77 cents or something like that last time I looked. So that's a big deal. So what am I going to be doing? You know damn well what I'll be doing. I'll be buying some stuff. I'm probably going to take a little bit of money, buy some now, look to see if the market drops again, buy some again, dollar cost averaging, and then waiting for it to pop back up. Because there's just too much positive news and too much going on to not take advantage of these pullbacks, even with these, upticks, most coins are still down by far off their all-time highs. Just saying. But it's a pretty good pullback because, think about this. A couple of weeks ago, Polygon was at, 49 cents or something like that, or less, right? So at that price, it doubled. It more than doubled. So you sit back and you kind of go, yeah, probably a good time to buy. So that's what me and my kids are doing. Moelis, in a very smart move, is going to blockchain firms or blockchain companies and saying, listen, you should use our advisory services to help you increase crypto adoption. Very slick, because there are two things that I'm looking at there. One is what services they're going to perform, and another one is going to be what's the compensation package. Very smart. Very smart if they're going to accept crypto. And specifically, which ones will they be accepting? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, SHIB, Polygon, just which ones? Cardano, just which ones would they be accepting if they're accepting that? Either way, I think it's a smart move. I think it's a very smart move. Moelis can swoop in, offer these advisory services, and be seen as being a part of that adoption craze. That would be a big deal. You want to know another company that made a smart move? Fidelity. Fidelity, a few weeks ago, I think earlier this month, I had reported that Fidelity was going to be offering Bitcoin as a part of their 401k or retirement offerings. Well, guess what? They've had a lot of employers reach out and say, hey, we're interested in that. So what's going on now? A lot of new fintech startups are popping up to help answer the demand. Think about that. They're helping to answer to the demand. If you paid attention to my earlier report today, you'd know that a lot of people, 87% of people saving for colleges in this survey of 1,250 parents actually have digital assets. So when you think about retirement savings, when you think about college savings, you start to realize there is big penetration going on with crypto. Anyway, this is Eddie J on crypto. If you like what I'm doing, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and absolutely hit the notification bell so you know when I'm going to drop a new video. Have a great night.